is about to start. Hi, Darrell. Let's discuss how to balance child-initiated learning with educator-supported learning to create a more effective learning environment for the children.
Sounds good. What's the first step?
To achieve this balance, we can start by organizing the physical environment. By making resources and tools readily accessible, we empower children to explore and investigate on their own.
What about creating a supportive environment?
Yes, developing a space where children feel safe to share their ideas and try new things is crucial. This encourages them to take initiative while also seeking guidance when needed.
How do we incorporate practical skills in social development?
We should teach practical skills and focus on helping children develop social skills and learn to cooperate with each other. This supports their independent exploration while also providing structured learning opportunities.
How can we use natural materials and outdoor spaces?
uh, Including natural materials in activities and ensuring children have access to the outdoors can enrich their learning experiences. This allows them to learn from their environment and supports both self-directed and guided exploration.
That makes sense. How do we ensure we're integrating these elements effectively?
Well, a good approach is to aim for a balance where about one third of learning is child initiated, another third is educator led, and the remaining third involves initiated supported activities supported by educators. This balance can be adjusted based on the needs of each child and the specific context.
Great. I'll document these strategies in my workbook. Thanks for the discussion. Well done.
You're welcome. This balance will help us to provide more engaging and effective learning experiences for the children.
Thanks, Hannah.
Thank you.